So welcome to today's vlog. Today I'll be showing you how I do my back workout. I like to combine body weight and gym machines. Stay tuned.
Wow!
My first exercise that I'm doing today is going to be my combination of the front lever and the back lever. So if you actually watch Olympics competition, like the Olympic Games, there's gymnastics section. So you see people doing really cool movements like they're turning, they're twisting, they're flipping, and doing all kinds of acrobatic and extremely difficult movements. So for me personally, I find I like the challenge of it. That's number one. Number two, I like to test myself to see where I can improve, set myself some challenge and new targets. So for the front lever, it's kind of like you have to be here, body straight, bring your body all the way up. So it's like technically you are kind of floating in the air. It's actually a very difficult movement. So for the back lever, you kind of have to be an inverted motion. So technically you are flying. So I will be showing some future tutorials how to learn the movements. If you want to train them just using a pull-up bar, what are the progressions you can do. So stay tuned for my second exercise. So my second exercise I'll be doing is one of my favorites, lat pull down. Basically, when you want to train your lats, you need to make sure you're doing a neutral grip, not a pronated grip. This pronated grip is actually, you train your upper back. If you're doing a supinated, more bicep, not really lats. So for lats, neutral grip, alright? So how I do it, I set myself in a 90 degrees angle. I pull directly downwards, drive my elbows to my thighs, not drive my elbow behind. So it's like a straight downward motion. Focus on your lats, okay? Stay tuned for the next exercise. My third exercise is a lat row hamstring machine. I improvise it, so it trains your lats. I also like to do it because number one, you can overload, go heavier. It trains one side of your lats, so you can bring up your weaker side. Also, one more benefit of doing unilateral movements, you need to stabilize your core more, which also helps you to bring out on your weaker side. Because everybody has a stronger side. Maybe your right side, your right-handed dominant, your left side might be weaker. So when I do it on my left side, I actually also help to strengthen my core and my stabilization on my left side, which in turn benefits me if I play sports like tennis, badminton, or any basketball, any single-handed movements. It will help do that. Alright, stay tuned for next exercise, last one. So my last exercise is very simple, it's just a regular pull-ups. I use some bands because I'm really tired, so I just loop the band at the top, I step on it, and also I just want to make sure that I can keep my form stable. Use my upper back and pull, not my bicep. If you notice that I'm doing it, I'm keeping my body very stable. I'm not shaking, I'm not rocking back and forth, I'm going up and down straight. So if you have a bands and you want to try to do it in the gym, please do it. The difference between doing an assisted pull-up machine and a banded pull-up machine is that a banded pull-up machine is actually much more stricter. It forces you to stabilize, while an assisted machine does not do that. So there are the differences for that. Thanks for watching today's vlog. So today is basically I'm just sharing my workout routine, the logic behind it, why do I do it, and also if you feel that you're up for it, go try it, leave a comment in the bottom, tell me how you find it. And so stay tuned for my future videos here, also my previous video on other trainings and also other tutorials that I've done. So like, share, comment. Thanks for watching, stay tuned, bye bye.